Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, boundaries and self-respect. Do you ever struggle to say no when someone asks for a favor? Here's an example. A coworker calls and says that he needs a ride to the airport at 4 o'clock the following morning. Without any thought, you automatically agree to the request. Then, a few minutes later, you start to feel resentful. Maybe even angry with yourself for agreeing so quickly. Why do you feel like this? Because you didn't consider how full your schedule was that day. What's more, when you disrespect yourself in that way, you're teaching the people around you exactly how to treat you. Think of it this way. Without healthy boundaries, you invite even more disrespect and begin to feel even more resentful. So try the following tips. Stop and pause. Stop the automatic impulse to say yes, and pause long enough to decide which of the following boundary statements to use. Statement number 1, that's not going to work for me. Statement number 2, I'm not sure if that's going to work for me. Let me check my schedule and I'll get back to you. Memorize these 2 boundary statements. It's important to rehearse them over and over until they're anchored in your brain. Then, when someone asks you to do something, and you're positive the answer is no, simply say, that's not going to work for me. And when you're not certain if your answer is yes or no, respond to the person using statement number 2. I'm not sure if that's going to work for me. Let me check my schedule and I'll get back to you. Then, take some time to check in with yourself and provide an accurate answer you'll feel good about. If your answer is yes, contact the person and let them know. If your answer is no, simply say, I checked my schedule and that's not going to work for me. Remember, when you're saying no, resist the urge to apologize or provide several reasons why you can't honor the request. You never have to apologize for honoring yourself. And by the way, there's actually a third boundary statement that sounds like this. Yes, I can do that. When you provide clear yes and no answers that align with your core values and desires, you'll feel powerful and your self-respect will skyrocket. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.